Good morning students. How are you? Hope you are fit and fine with family. So student, today is your EVS topic, clothes we wear. Yes, clothes we wear. Yes, you understand clothes we wear. Why do you wear clothes? So we wear clothes cover our body. Okay, we wear clothes cover our body and clothes protect from us. Okay, and we wear clothes make us look smart. Okay, so understand this. Yes, today we are going to learn clothes we wear. Okay, so let's start. First is clothes we wear. Clothes cover our body. Clothes cover our body. Okay, and next is, first is clothes cover our body, and next is clothes also make us look smart. Okay, and 3, clothes protect us. Clothes protect us. Clothes protect us from, yes, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Okay, heat, cold, rain and dust. So first is clothes cover our body. Okay, and next is clothes make us look smart. है ना? In different occasion when we wear different type dresses, है ना? Clothes make us look smart, and clothes protect us from heat, sun rays, है ना? Protect us our body, है ना? Wearing clothes so protect us our body. Heat, है ना? In summer season sun is very hot is, and so given heat and protect us our body. Heat. Next is cold. In winter season you feel shivering and cold, so clothes are protect us our body in season cold. Rain. Okay, protect us rain in rainy season, and dust also, है ना? Dust. Okay, in around us has environments has dust, so clothes are protect us our body in dust. Okay, so understand why do we wear clothes? Clothes cover our body. Clothes make us look smart, है ना? You are wearing new dress in parties, in marriage, so you look as smart. Okay, and clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and we are wearing clothes according to season. Different type clothes wear according to season. So let's start first. Summer. Okay, yes, first is summer. We wear in summer season cotton cloths. We wear cotton cloths. Okay, cotton cloths is very cool. Okay, cotton cloths is very cool. Cotton cloths are light and airy in summer. Okay, summer season also right there. So we wear in summer season cotton cloths. Okay, and cotton cloths feel is cool, very cool. Cotton cloths keep us cool, and cotton cloths light and airy, and don't wear in summer season tight cloths. Tight cloths, okay, don't wear in summer season. So wear in airy and loose cloths, okay. थोड़ा ढीले कपड़े और light means लाइट कलर के होने चाहिए. डोंट वेयर इन डार्क कलर लाइक दिस डार्क रेड एंड डार्क ब्लैक, है ना. अवॉइड दिस टाइप. सो कॉटन क्लॉथ्स, कॉटन मीन्स सूती. ओके, वेयर इन कॉटन क्लॉथ्स. वी wear cotton cloths. We wear cotton cloths in summer season. Okay, cotton cloths keep us, cotton cloths keep us cool, keep us cool, and we get cotton plants. We get cotton, we get cotton from cotton plants. Okay, cotton plants. Understand? In summer season we wear cotton cloths. Cotton cloths keep and cool, and we get cotton from cotton plants. Next is winter. Okay, winter season. Yes, do you know winter season? You feel cold and shivering. Okay, so winter season we wear woolen cloths. We wear woolen cloths. Okay, we wear woolen cloths, and woolen cloths keep us warm. Woolen cloths keep us warm. Woolen cloths keep us warm. Warm means गरम, है ना. गरम कपड़े, है ना, अपनी बॉडी को कैसे हीट फील कराता है ना, गरम कराता है. एंड कॉटन क्लॉथ्स कीप अस कूल, ये हमें ठंडक देते हैं. और वूलन क्लॉथ्स कीप अस, यस टेल मी, वूलन क्लॉथ्स कीप अस warm. Understand? So we get woolen, we get wool from, we get wool from sheep. Sheep, okay. In animal na we get wool from sheep. So I am repeat again. When in winter season we wear woolen cloths. Woolen cloths keep us warm, है ना, गर्म होते हैं woolen cloths. And we get wear from sheep. ये हमें wool कहाँ से मिलता है? sheep से. Okay, sheep. And woolen cloths is jacket, cap, socks, है ना, sweater, cap and cardigan. So made is woolen cloths, है ना, made for wool. So card is woolen cloths and wear in winter season, so I don't feel cold and shivering. Understand? And next is rainy season. Okay, rainy season. Yes, rainy season we wear in raincoat, gumboot, okay, and we use an umbrella. And raincoat and umbrellas are, we keep us dry. Okay, in season we wear raincoat, raincoat and gumboots, okay, and use umbrellas, okay, and use umbrellas. And raincoat and umbrellas are made in special material, okay, या waterproof material. Raincoat and umbrellas made of waterproof material, so we keep us dry, है ना, don't wet, understand. So I am repeat again, today's topic is clothes we wear. Clothes cover our body, clothes make us look smart, and clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, understand, heat, cold, rain and dust. And we wear clothes according to season. In summer season we wear cotton cloths, and cotton cloths keep us cool, and we get cotton from cotton plants, okay. And cotton cloths is t-shirt, है ना, kurti या kurta and pajamas. And in summer season we wear in light and airy clothes, and don't wear is tight clothes, है ना. So wear in loose clothes like this inner, okay. And cotton cloths keep us cool our body. जो cotton cloths हैं वो हमारी body को क्या देते हैं, ठंडक देते हैं, okay. And next is winter season. In winter season you feel cold and shivering, so we wear woolen cloths, jacket, coat, sweater, cap, muffler, cardigan, shoes, socks, है ना, gloves also, है ना, finger not working in winter season, so gloves also we are in fingers. And we get wool from sheep. Sunshine is down. सन रेज है वो थोड़ा कैसी हो जाती हैं, डाउन हो जाती हैं. बट इन समर सीजन सन रेज इज वेरी हॉट, है ना. एंड इन विंटर सीजन सन रेज इज स्लो डाउन, है ना, ओके. एंड इन रेनी सीजन वी wear raincoat and gumboot and use umbrellas, we can not wet, so use umbrellas. And raincoat and umbrellas made in waterproof material, so we are not wet, and always use raincoat and umbrella, so we are dry, okay. Understand this. In clothes we wear clothes according to season. In summer season we wear cotton cloths. In winter season we wear woolen cloths. In rainy season we wear raincoat and gumboots and umbrellas. And next is some people wear special clothes. Card is according to work and card is uniform, okay. Like this is my sari according to work, है ना, teacher, so according to work is my sari is uniform. And you are come in school, okay, and wearing school dress, so card is uniform. And so some people are wearing special work to do, like this postman, okay, doctor and nurse, lawyer and soldiers, okay. तो इनको देख के आपको उनके काम का पता चल जाता है कि दिस इज स्टूडेंट्स वेयर इन स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म, दिस इज ए टीचर स्कूल इन स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म, एंड दिस इज ए सोल्जर, है ना, प्रोटेक्ट इन एम इज, सो दिस वेयर इन soldiers uniform. And doctors wearing coat, white coat, and nurse also, okay. And gatekeeper in school gatekeeper या others gate, है ना, gateman wearing special uniform to work, okay. जिनसे अगर हम बोलें सही सरल भाषा में कि कुछ ऐसे पर्सन होते हैं जिनकी यूनिफॉर्म देखकर हम उनके काम का पता लगा लेते हैं, सच एज डॉक्टर, नर्स, and postman, student, है ना, students in school come in, so wearing uniform, है ना, like this students wearing uniform, okay. तो उस यूनिफॉर्म से पता चल जाता है कि दिस इज स्टूडेंट्स, है ना, दीज आर स्टूडेंट्स, ओके. एंड टीचर्स, पोस्टमैन, डॉक्टर, नर्स, soldier, lawyer, okay. So understand students, I hope today's topic understand. Clothes we wear, clothes cover our body, वो हमारी बॉडी को कवर करता है. एंड clothes make us look smart, clothes से हम स्मार्ट दिखते हैं, ओके. clothes protect us and clothes protect us our body heat, है ना, sun rays, cold, rain and dust, ओके. एंड we are wearing clothes according to season, क्योंकि woolen clothes I can't wear in summer season. Summer season is very hot, है ना, already hot is sunrisey. So summer season we wearing cotton cloths, light and airy cloths, है ना. And we get cotton from cotton plants, we get wool from sheep, okay. In rainy season we wear raincoat, a gumboot and umbrellas, and raincoat and umbrellas made is waterproof material, okay students. So understand this topic and read again and write down in your notebook, okay. Thank you so much.